What pushes you to your limit? Is it the weight of the world on your shoulders or the burning desire to be the best? Is it a heavy lift? A grueling run? The kind of challenge that makes your muscles scream and your heart race? Or maybe it's something completely different, something that pushes you beyond your physical limits. Something that tests not just your body, but your mind. The mental fortitude to keep going when every part of you wants to quit. This ain't your average gym day. This is about pushing boundaries and breaking barriers. We're talking about the Strength Cartel Gauntlet, a test of true grit and determination. A challenge so intense, it separates the weekend warriors from the real beasts. Only the strongest will survive. Think you got what it takes? Let's find out. Step up and show us what you're made of. The Strength Cartel Gauntlet is more than just a workout. It's an experience that challenges you on every level. It's a test of willpower, endurance, and sheer determination. Created by the Strength Cartel, a hardcore fitness crew known for their insane routines and relentless drive. These guys don't mess around. They live and breathe fitness, pushing themselves to the brink every single day. They're all about pushing boundaries and exceeding limits both physically and mentally. The Gauntlet reflects that philosophy. It's not just about lifting weights, it's about lifting your spirit and breaking through barriers. It's a series of brutal exercises designed to test every muscle in your body and break you mentally, pushing you to discover your true potential. So what does this gauntlet actually involve? Imagine this: endless burpees, insane weightlifting circuits, and grueling runs, all back to back, no rest for the weary. But the physical challenge is only half the battle. The mental aspect is where the gauntlet truly breaks you. The constant pressure, the burning lungs, the screaming muscles, it's about digging deep, finding that inner strength when your body screams, "Stop!" Recently, a bunch of YouTubers dared to step into the gauntlet, a grueling test of physical and mental endurance that pushes even the fittest to their limits. This isn't just any challenge, it's a battleground where only the toughest survive. These are guys who made a living pushing their limits on camera, constantly striving to outdo themselves and inspire their audiences. They thrive on the adrenaline rush, the sweat, and the sheer willpower it takes to break barriers. But the gauntlet? This was a whole different beast. It was designed to test every aspect of their fitness, from strength and agility to endurance and mental toughness. It was a course that demanded respect and instilled fear. You had guys like David Lade, known for his insane physique, really feeling the burn. Despite his impressive strength, even he found himself pushed to the brink, battling through each grueling obstacle. Then there's Matt Does Fitness, a guy who thrives on challenges, hitting a wall he never thought possible. For someone who has conquered countless fitness feats, the gauntlet presented a new level of difficulty that tested his resolve. And the best part? The unexpected moments. The moments when someone you least expected would rise to the occasion, defying the odds and surprising everyone, including themselves. The guy you thought would crumble, pushing through. The underdog who found an extra gear when it mattered most, showing that determination can sometimes outshine raw talent. The fitness fanatic hitting their limit. Even the most seasoned athletes found themselves questioning their capabilities, realizing that the gauntlet was a true test of their mettle. It's raw, it's real, it's the gauntlet. Every grimace, every bead of sweat, every moment of doubt captured the essence of what it means to push beyond your limits. But at the end of the day, it's not about who finishes first. It's about the journey, the camaraderie, the support, and the shared struggle that brought everyone closer together. The realization that we're all capable of more than we think. That when pushed to our limits, we can discover strengths we never knew we had. The YouTubers who took on the gauntlet walked away, changed, humbled. They gained a deeper understanding of their own resilience and the power of perseverance. And with a newfound respect for the power of the human will, they left with stories of triumph, of struggle, and of the unbreakable spirit that defines us all.